Welcome
Here,
to our channel. We provide valuable insights and strategies on how to make money on YouTube and online marketing. Join us as we share tips, advice, and success stories to help you build a thriving online presence and monetize your content. From leveraging YouTube ads and brand partnerships to exploring affiliate marketing and digital product sales, we'll guide you on your journey to financial success in the digital realm. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Welcome to our all-inclusive channel, where we provide a treasure trove of online marketing guides and strategies for making money online. Whether you're a beginner seeking step-by-step guidance or an experienced marketer looking for new insights, we've got you covered. Explore a wide range of topics, including social media marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, content creation, SEO, and more. We'll equip you with proven techniques, practical tips, and expert advice to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of online entrepreneurship. Join our community and unlock the secrets to success in the digital realm. Hit that subscribe button to embark on a profitable online journey. Sure. Here is a step-by-step guide on making money online easily through online marketing. Step 1. Identify your niche. Determine your area of interest or expertise that can be monetized online. Consider your skills, passions, and market demand to find a profitable niche. Step 2. Research and validate. Conduct market research to validate your chosen niche. Identify your target audience, their needs, and competitors in the market. This will provide insights to refine your marketing strategy. Step 3. Create a website or online presence. Establish an online presence through a website, blog, or social media profiles. Build a platform to showcase your content, products, or services. Ensure your online presence is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Step 4. Content creation. Create valuable and engaging content that is relevant to your audience. Consistently produce high-quality articles, videos, podcasts, or visuals that attract and retain your target audience. Focus on providing solutions, entertainment, or educational value. Step 5. Leverage social media. Utilize social media platforms to expand your reach and engage with your audience. Establish a presence on platforms that align with your target audience. Tailor your content for each platform and actively engage with your followers. Step 6. Build an email list. Encourage visitors to your website or social media platforms to join your email list. Provide incentives like exclusive content or discounts. Nurture your email subscribers by sending valuable and relevant content regularly. Step 7. Monetize your audience. Explore various monetization strategies based on your niche and audience. Some options include affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission on sales generated through your referral. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, templates, or software. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands or advertisers to feature their products or services in your content in exchange for payment. Advertising. Utilize display ads, video ads, or sponsored content to earn revenue from ads displayed on your website or YouTube channel. Step 8. Track and analyze. Monitor and analyze key metrics to understand the effectiveness of your online marketing efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics to measure traffic, engagement, conversion rates, and revenue. Adjust your strategies based on data-driven insights. Step 9. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with industry trends, new marketing techniques, and changes in consumer behavior. Continuously educate yourself through online resources, courses, and industry events. Adapt your strategies to meet evolving market demands. Making money online through online marketing is not an overnight success story. It requires consistent effort, perseverance, and adapting to changing trends. Stay focused, provide value to your audience, and be patient as you build your online presence and monetize your efforts. Good luck!